Hope everybody's having a good day out there in Lockland and getting ready for the weekend. Um, Kind of cool here today, actually. It's not too bad. A little cloudy, maybe get a little shower, hopefully. But yeah, so just wishing everybody out there the best and hope they're having a good week. So I am here today to do this challenge lock by Harry Bow. Um, it's a Jetto, and Southampton Lock Picking Club had gave like 15 of these to Harry Bow to make challenge locks out of, because they're, I guess, standard or stock or whatever, they're just junk. So the only thing you can do really with them is make challenge locks out of, and so yeah, they gave 15 of them to Harry Bow, and this one here is Harry's first one. It's called, as you can tell, Sample. So yeah, it is number 48. Of course, it's not his first challenge lock, but it is of this Jetto series. So it's number 48 by the one and only Mr. Harry Bow. And here is the bidding on the key. Pretty decent. So, you know, there's some fun going on up in there. So I'll show you guys it works here real quick. And hopefully if we can get into this, we'll see what's inside. It is a 5-pinner, right? I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 5-pinner. And let's see what we can do. Okay, so that's one thing about these Jettos is, man, they have a lot of slop. That is right there. That's crazy. So let's get on with this and see what we can do. That first pin is just a bear to get under. Okay. Got a little bit of false set going there. And then the next pin to get under. I have picked this a couple times. First time was last night, but maybe some of you guys saw my post. Okay, let's come back here again. Got a little bit of movement on the core there. All kind of rotation and movement. Come on, baby. I lost a little bit of my rotation there, I think. Oh, got it back right there. Okay, let's come back up here to the front. One seems to be good. Come on, baby. Show me the love. Yeah, I feel pretty honored to have this first one that he did out of this series. Pretty cool little challenge lock. I guess that's a rim cylinder is what that would be. Come on, baby. Work for me, work with me here now. There it is, and we're open. Alright guys, there you have it. That's the Jetto Sample picked. So you can all definitely see that that's been picked. Let's gut this bad boy real quick, hopefully real quick, and see what it looks like on the inside. Shoot, I hope I didn't take that out of frame, but I'm gonna lock it back up here. It still works like a charm. Let's get the back off. I just have these set of pliers here. This type of ring, it seems to work the easiest on. Let's see, that should be enough. Beautiful. Okay, get the shim and the key. Guy there. Put our little shim in there. Let's see, that looks just way too small, Chris. Oops. Grab a million things out of there at one time. Sorry guys, I'm trying to hurry here. Let's try this guy. I do believe that should work. Let's run her through and give it a try. There we go. Alright. Okay, so there you can see it's a 5-pin. Looks like a couple of those pins in there are a little loosey-goosey, but that's cool. As you can see, they all needed picked. I'll put some pictures in here at the end too, so you guys can see everything. Let's see what we got inside here. So, one is serrated. 2 is a little, I'm not sure what you call that. It has a little tiny serration or spool at the top. Torpedo on 3. 4 is a serrated, and 5 is standard. Okay. So it looks like we have threaded 1, 2, and 3, and maybe undercut in 4. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but like I said, I'll put this pictures in the at the end of the video. So let's see what we got up here in the top. Need my tweezers. I always forget to get those out when I'm prepping for all this stuff. So let's see here. Wow, that's a crazy pin right there. I gotta show you guys this if you can see it. Check that guy out. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's a crazy little tiny spool in 1. A long spring in 2. I mean in 1. Sorry. 2, we have a extended spool, I guess you'd call that. I'm not sure what the proper name for that guy is. And a little tiny spring in there. Oh, 2 is a 3 is a regular spool, and another big old long spring. Come to the back side here. Five is a giant serrated spool. I don't know if you guys can see the little, maybe that's not serrations on the top there, but check that out. Oops, that's pretty cool. That's in 5, and then spring is another different one. Maybe no, it's a little bit different. So, and then 4 is none. I guess that's is that a gin bottle? I'm not sure what you guys call that, but a long tall spool. And another, this one's got a really tiny spring in it. A little weak spring. So, there you have it, guys. Harry Bowes Challenge Lock sample number 48. You guys can see that a little bit anyway. Like I said, I'll show you pics at the end. So, alright, thanks guys. Hope you enjoyed this. Remember, keep it legal. Always pick locks that are yours and not in use. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Take care, everyone.